everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, LaShawn, and today we're just going to do a quick tour of my apartment. As you know, I only have 630 square feet. That's right, you heard it right. 630 square feet. That's all I got. But I make the most of my space. This is where I work at. I work here at the desk, and that's all I need. And I got one dresser, I got a television, and over here I have my bed. That's all I need. And a closet. That's it. That's all I got. 600 square feet. That's it. And right here, this is it's just my towels and my toilet paper are in there. And this here is the hot water heater. And this is the bathroom. This is my bathroom. And as you can see, I have the bars in place to help me get in and out of the tub. There's another one over here. Okay, that's for the shower, as you can see. Not a whole bunch of space, but this is where I live. This is the space that I have. Again, this is my bathroom. And I know what you're thinking, oh my goodness, she only got 630 square feet. Yep, that's it. That's all I got. Now this is the hallway. We'll turn this off. As you hear that, don't you? That's the, there we go. That's the fan for the bathroom. Then you walk up the hall, and to the right is the living room area, as you can see. That's the living room area. That's my spot on the couch that I be at. And this is not big at all. Here's the table. And here is the TV. And here is a coat closet right here. And then this here is just a little sitting area that I got right here. And the table and the lamps, and then I have a fan right there because I try to conserve electricity, and so I use the fan here, the handy dandy fan, because I can save money on my electricity. So I'll go back up the hall because speaking of electricity, I forgot to turn this light off, and we are saving money. We'll turn that off. And now we go back this way, and then this is the kitchen area. 630 feet, people. Square feet, that's it. This is my table, and this is where I drink my coffee sometimes, but most of the time I sit here to eat. And it's not very big. And this is my little water station. Reminds me to drink water. I grab one every time I go out. Here is a big, I don't know what you call it, a pantry or whatever, but there's another one in here. Right over here is where I keep my keys. And as you can see right here, I keep my mask. Right now there's 2, 4, let's see, I'm running low. I get nervous, 2, 4. How many in here? 6. And that one, 2 more. I got 8. And right here is the pantry. This is the pantry right here. This is my pantry. And that's where I keep my mop. And I keep the broom. You gotta, when you have a very small space, you have to think outside the box. You have to cover everything. This is where I keep the keys and everything, and I'll put my to-do list right here. I try to keep things in certain places. Okay, so this is the back door right here that goes to my patio. But, and then if you turn this way, this is my little bitty kitchen. This is where I keep the trash. And as you can see, I only got 6 cabinets. So I have to make the most of the space, the upper space that I have. And then those are the lower cabinets. And here I keep my pots. They go there. And then in here is my cleaning supplies. I keep all the cleaning supplies and dish detergent in there. And I always have antibacterial soap. And I always have hand sanitizer. And then over here is where I wash my dishes. Again, I don't have a lot of counter space, so you have to make the most of the space that you have. So I can wash, rinse, and then put my dishes here. Real small space. And over there, that's my little bitty microwave. Not very big. And then here's the drawer that we organized on one of our videos. As you can see, it's still organized the way we did it. And then right here is just seasonings. And what I do is I get these packs here. Ketchup, hot sauce. And then this is from Taco Bell, like the mild sauce. And I grab a couple every time that I go because it saves money. And I don't have to buy the big containers of it. And then this is a food cabinet here. That's a food cabinet. And here I have my plastics up there. This is where I keep the honey. I keep it separate, as you can see. It's easier to access it. And this is food up there. And then over to here, this is, as you can see, I only have 4 glasses and 4 cups. 3 white, 1 red. I live alone. And then over here, as you can see, I have a small stove. It's a special made small stove. Very, very small. Very small, because again, it's only 630 square feet. And that's where I keep my Keurig K-cups over here. And you have to, like I said, you have to use space. Very good. So this is my famous handy dandy Keurig machine that I use every single day. Every single day. Every day. And this is my camera I just keep here. And this is my excess. As you can see, these are the excess K-cups. And then over here is my refrigerator, which I have pictures of my family on here, all the people I love. And there's my mom. That's my mom. That's my dad. This is all 3 of my children. This is Patrick, Elijah, and Lyric. This is me and my sister. And that's when the kids were younger. But those are the main pictures right there. Right there. And so that's about it. That is it. That's 600. That's all my cereal up there. But that's it. That is it, you guys. 630 square feet. It's not a lot of space, but it's all that I need. And so I just really wanted to show you that you can live in 630 square feet and you can still coexist. You can still thrive. You can still think. You can still work. And those are all the things that I do here in this little space. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, please take some time to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. You got any suggestions on how I can save space? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you.